Good morning, everyone. Let's start with revision of chapter number 15, data handling. Now, first of all, tell me, in data handling, we have how many parts? Anyone? If you want to reply, raise your hand. In data handling, you will observe how many parts? Yes? Anyone? Natansh. Yes? No. This is a representation. Yes, Natansh, you want to reply? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, 3 parts.
Name them.
Ma'am,
Name them. Mehak, you know? Mehak, you know the names? Mehak, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, first name is bar graph.
Bar graph is used to represent data. I am talking about the introduction. Bar graph is used
Ma'am,
for
when there are 3 parts of data handling.
Yes. Collection of data, organization of data, and representation of data. Okay?
Ma'am, collection of data, represent of data, and
First of all, collection of data, then organization of data, then you will say representation of data. Okay?
Okay.
Fine. Now come to the next. Next we have, now open your graph papers and start drawing 8th question. Now check 8th question. 8th question is, construct a bar graph, represent the following information regarding class 10th students attending chemistry practical for a particular week. This information is given to you and question is to represent this information using bar graph. Then what is the first step? Pavani, unmute yourself. Yes.
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me.
Ma'am, I'm not getting your voice.
Show me your bar graph.
Ma'am, yes.
Show me graph paper. Pavani, show me graph paper.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now my question is, how can we solve question number 8 from the chapter 15?
Ma'am,
Yes.
question number 8.
8. Yes. From the chapter 15, how can we solve?
Ma'am, we will first ma'am, we will first draw the structure
Yes. Tell me, you know?
with y-axis is o-axis and x-axis.
Not o-axis. First of all, on graph paper, you will draw 2 axes. One is horizontal axis. The name of this
And one
x-axis. And second is vertical axis.
vertical axis,
Vertical axis is y-axis.
y-axis.
Like this. So start drawing, all the students. Start with pencil, not with pen. Okay? You will draw
Okay,
bar graph with pencil, not with pen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, then we will take a scale of 5.
Very good.
5.
Yes. And what about this,
Students.
Pavani? What about this point?
This is called the o-axis.
Oh, not o-axis. This is called origin. Not o-axis. This is not
Okay, ma'am.
O-axis. This is not O-axis. This is called origin. This is
Okay,
known
ma'am.
as origin. Fine. And what is the value of this origin? 0. The value of
0.
origin is 0. Now, after that, you will select the scale according to your wish. Now, your wish, there will be no hard and fast rule कि after ये origin के बाद आपने 5 ही लिखना है. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Either take 5 or 10, your wish. So, after that we have 5 now. Sometimes students क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे 5 लिख देते हैं ये, और यहाँ पे फिर 10 लिखते हैं. This is wrong. This is wrong. Okay. Always write origin here. After that 5, then you will write the table of 5 or table of 10. Pavni, next you will write which table? आपने ओरिजिन के बाद कौन सा नंबर लिया है? तो 5 का टेबल ही लिखोगे, 10 का टेबल थोड़ी ना लिखोगे. मैं टेबल की बात कर रही हूँ. After origin you have 5 now, so after 5 here you will write 10, then you will write 15, then you will write 20, then you will write 25, like this. Fine? This thing is clear? Now, number means here number of students. Number of students. Here you will write number of students, and along horizontal axis you will write days. Now on Monday, 25 students attending chemistry practicals. 25 students attending chemistry practicals. Fine. Now tell me, this representation is correct representation? Radhika, unmute yourself. Yes, Radhika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, this is correct? First we have Monday. On Monday, 25 students attending chemistry practical. Unmute.
Ma'am, this is not correct.
Yes. Then tell me the correct representation.
Ma'am, we will leave one box.
Very good. This is the very important feature of bar graph. Always give gap of one box. Okay. Now here we have, you will observe small lines now, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. Always leave one box and draw here. In between you will write Monday. Okay. Now next we have Tuesday 15. On Tuesday we have 15. Now next is not for you, Radhika. Okay.
Okay.
Angel, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
This is correct, Angel?
Ma'am, no, this is not correct. We have to leave one line.
Not line. We will leave one line.
Ma'am, we will leave one bar.
Box, dear. Box, 10 lines. One complete box, not bar. This is known as bar. This is known as bar. We will not leave bar, we will leave one box. And here you will 15. Next. And in between you will write Tuesday. Like this. Fine. So like this you will draw. Now listen to me one more time very, very carefully. This arrow compulsory. This X compulsory. Either use small x or capital X, your wish. Fine. Either write small x or capital X. There will be no hard and fast rule. Next. This arrow, हाँ y also. अगर आपने x को big लिखा है तो y को भी big ही लिखोगे. Axis, हाँ you can, but there is no hard and fast rule. If you want to write axis na, then you can. But this axis word is not a compulsion. Y is okay, X is okay, but if you want to write Y axis also, then you can. Very good, Angel. Now complete. Good, Devyanshi. Devyanshi, turn your notebook. Devyanshi, turn your notebook. Good. Yes, next Wednesday is 10 now. So complete your work and show me your bar graph. Good, Natansh, good. And always draw bar graph with pencil, not with pen. Fine? Mehak, unmute yourself, Mehak.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you are using pen?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, look pencil.
Okay. Fine. Good, Angel. Good. Komal. Yes. Good, Komal. Very good. Devyanshi also good. Correct, Devyanshi. Good. Fine. Now come to the page number 187. Check example. Now come to the page number 187. Example. Check page number 187 from your book. अच्छा, आपने 2 बॉक्सेस छोड़े हैं. याद रखना, अगर 2 छोड़ने हैं तो फिर 2 ही छोड़ने हैं. भूल मत जाना कहीं पे 2 छोड़ के फिर 1 मत छोड़ देना. ठीक है. एनो नहीं, एनो डॉट. अगर आपने नंबर को शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है तो एनो नहीं लिखना, एनो डॉट लिखना है. Question is, the following table shows the daily production of color TV sets in a factory for 7 days. Production of TV sets. Information is given to you and the question is, represent the above information through a pictograph. Now the question is based on what? Represent the above information through a pictograph, not a bar graph. Komal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Komal, tell me, you have done the concept of pictograph in class 4th?
Ma'am, no.
Why no? 3rd class में भी है. कोमल, पिक्टोग्राफ पिक्चर्स बनानी. थर्ड क्लास में भी है बेटा, फोर्थ में आपने डेफिनेटली किया होगा। Okay, now listen, Komal, listen to me. The question is represent the above information through a pictograph. If the question is based on pictograph, then key is required. Then which thing is required? Key is required. So you can select any key according to your wish. Take, this is key. Take one smiley is equal to 100 sets. This is key according to me, and you can select any picture according to your wish. This smiley is not a compulsion. Check your book. This picture is used by author of this book ना, जिसने ये बुक बनाई है उसने क्या यूज किया है? ये पिक्चर। मैंने क्या यूज किया? स्माइली। अगर आपको कुछ और यूज करना है, यू कैन, देयर विल बी नो हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल। ओके, नाउ ऑन वन साइड you will write day, and on another side you will write number of TV sets. Number of TV sets. Fine. Day, number of TV sets. Students, one more time I am going to repeat. If the question is based on pictograph, then this key is important. You have to write this key during exam. Yes. Very good, Divyanshi. Very good. Yes, Pavneet. You can select one smiley is equal to 50 sets also. Yes, your wish. Okay. Now first we have Monday. On Monday, show me Radhika, show me your graph, dear. Yes, correct. Good. Correct. On Monday, tell me how many TV sets produce? 250. It means you will draw how many smileys? Very good. To complete one half, like this. To complete one half. Then on Tuesday we have 150. On Tuesday we have 150. It means, yes, good. Yes, rest of the students, Nishchay, unmute yourself. Yes, Nishchay.
Yes, ma'am.
Nishchay, tell me, to represent 150, you will draw how many pictures?
Time to draw
150. The question is on Tuesday, 150
ma'am.
sets produced, no? Yes.
One smile.
One smiley, half or complete?
Ma'am,
one half smiley or complete?
ma'am, half.
One half? Okay. According to you.
Ma'am, one.
Yes.
Ma'am, one half smiley and one full smiley.
Very good. One half.
One half and one full.
Yes. One full. Because this
Full.
is 50, because this is 50 and this is 100. So 50 plus 100 will give you 150. Very good. Now, if 1 day smiley is equal to 50 cents, because 100 is not a compulsion, na? 100 is not a compulsion. If Nishchay want to take 1 smiley is equal to 100, then ये compulsory थोड़ी ना angel को भी 1 smiley को 100 ही लेना है. अगर angel का मन करेगा मैंने 1 smiley को 50 consider करना है तो angel करेगी उसको. Okay, so if 1 smiley is equal to 50, then tell me, then how will you represent 250? If 1 smiley is equal to 50 sets, Sarah, unmute yourself. Sarah, class 5th D.
Yes, ma'am.
If 1 smiley is equal to 50, then how will you represent 250?
Ma'am, by 4 smileys.
By 4 smileys. Chalo. According to you, 4 smileys, na? Now, first draw, then we will count.
37, 38, 39.
Now, Sarah, count. According to you, counting is 4, na? So count.
Yes, ma'am.
50. 50
Ma'am,
plus
what?
100. 100 plus 50. 150. 150 plus 50, 200. But we want 250.
Yes, ma'am.
But we want 200.
Ma'am, we will put
1 more smiley. Yeah.
ma'am, we will put 1 more.
Then you will put 1 more. Okay. So keep in your mind.
Yes, ma'am.
250.
Okay, ma'am.
250 means 25, na? So 5 fives are 25. 5 fives are 25. It means 5 smileys you will draw.
25.
Yes. This thing is clear? So this is pictograph. This is what? This is pictograph, because in this question we are using pictures. So that's why this is known as pictograph. Fine. And one more thing, if key is given in the question, in this question key is not given to you, so you can select key according to your wish. But if key is given in the question, then we can use given key. Then you will not use key according to your wish if key is given in the question. Fine. Now come to the next question. Exercise 11A, question number 3rd. Yes, Pavneet, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. What happened? You raised hand.
Ma'am, my voice is not properly audible. Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Pavneet, you raised hand now. Any doubt?
No, ma'am, I raised hand for give the answer.
Okay, fine. Yes, question number 3rd is, Ram covered a distance of 11 kilometers in 10 minutes. This is the question. Ram covered a distance of 11 kilometer in 10 minutes. Shyam covered a distance of 24 kilometer in 20 minutes. Question is, who drove faster? In this question, how many persons? 2 persons. In this question, we have 2 persons. First is Ram and second is Shyam. For Ram, information given is distance 11, time 10 minutes. Now come to the next slide. Shyam, distance is 24 kilometer and time is also given to you 20 minutes. If for Ram you are using capital D now, then for Shyam use small d. If for Ram you are using capital T, then for Shyam you will use small t. Because we have 2 different persons. तो अगर 1 का सिंबल कैपिटल D है तो सेकंड के लिए आपने क्या यूज करना है? स्मॉल d. Who drove faster? According to you, this question is based on which concept? Anyone? The question is, who drove faster? So according to you, this question is based on which concept? Natash, unmute yourself. Natash, unmute yourself. Natansh?
Ma'am, speed.
Speed. Fine. Good. So formula for speed is distance divided by time. So 11 divided by 10. So tell me the result. 11 divided by 10.
1.1.
11 divided by 10 will give you? Kavya?
1.1 kilometer per minute.
Yes. Very good. Kavya, unmute yourself. Now next we have speed, distance divided by time, 24 divided by 20. Samya, unmute yourself. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Samya, tell me, how can we solve this 24 divided by 20?
मैम हम 20 को अंदर रखेंगे और जो 24 है उसको सॉरी मैम 20 को हम बाहर रखेंगे और जो 24 है उसको हम अंदर रखेंगे और डिवाइड करेंगे.
Yes. This is divisor and this is dividend. So dividend inside and divisor outside. 20 ones are 20. Then what about next? What about next?
मैम हाफ दिख रहा है.
First of all, 20 ones are 20. Now tell me, what about next?
मैम हम 1 पे पॉइंट लगाएंगे और 40 यहाँ पे लिख देंगे 044 के साथ.
Very good. Then what about next?
मैम 2 पे जाएगा.
Very good. So here you will write 1.2 kilometer per minute. Check your question very
Minute.
carefully. If minute is given, then you will write minute. If meter is given, then you will write meter. If kilometer is given, then you will write kilometer. So write down the units according to the information given in the question. Very good. Now next.
Thank you.
Very good, very good. Devyanshi, unmute yourself. Yes. Devyanshi, unmute. Yes. Now, Devyanshi, tell me, who drove faster? In the result, you will write now who drove faster. Tell me, what is the result? In the end, we will write the result. Who drove faster? Stand up. Shyam, very good. As 1.2 is bigger than 1.1, so you will write Shyam drove faster. Fine. Very much compulsory to write this thing. Shyam drove faster. So like this, we will solve the sum. Fine. So this is the way to solve the sum. First of all, one side you will write Ram, another side you will write Shyam. Write down the information. If for Ram you are using capital D, then for Shyam you will use small d. अगर सेम भी कर लोगे वो भी गलत नहीं है, but prefer to use different symbols. Fine. Now my next question is sit. What is on the bar graph? What is the shape of bars? On the bar graph, what is the shape of bars? Rectangular. Not square, Radhika. Rectangular. Rectangle. Yes, Pavneet. Very good. Rectangle. Rectangular. Rectangle बने होते हैं वो. Okay. So today is your revision test 3 now. All the best for exams also. Bye bye.